Hello everybody. Today I got the issue about my C driver. My C driver only 250 gigabytes. So I just changed the my hard drive to up to 500 gigabyte. Then after I'm using the Mercurium Reflect to restore all the system, then I found I can extend my C drive. If you go to the disk management, you will see here is my C drive, but there are other free space still there. But I need to combine these two drive and using the one drive C drive, but uh, but obviously there is no extend volume I can use. So so why happen this problem is that because this volume gonna be beside the C drive, you're gonna be okay to extend volume but if there is the other partition between these two partitions, and this is not be able to use the extend volume. So we're gonna use the software to combine these two drive. So what program should we use? Here is a mini partition 2, and I will posting this site to my comments. I think you can reference. And after if you go to the site, we will see like here. After in here the partition wizard, you just click here and then you will see this and download free where you just click it. This is free tools, very good. And after you click this, you will see this website. You just click here and then we will download this one. And after download this, you're gonna install this. I will install this one, and this free and partition. You're gonna be next, and then see. Okay, after install that, let us see what's going on. Alright, just this one. And then if you see the C driver, yep, there is you see there is unlocated. So what are you gonna do right now using this program? You're gonna click C drive and there is a extend, and then this is unlocated drive. So if you're gonna, because I need to hold the size, maximum size to use, so I just giving the whole size and then okay. Alright, so did you see the all drive is back to the C drive? And then we're gonna be now here is apply. You're gonna be apply this one, must be apply, otherwise it will not affected. So just apply, and then we strongly recommend you close the other before you okay. So I just need to close the browser, and then this one, alright, gonna be, yep, is applied and pending changes successfully, so it's okay. So did you see? So all the drive is back, so that is what I want. And then I just need to C drive. Did you see? Yep, that's the one. 500 gigabyte is back. So yep, sometimes if you met like this problem, I think you can solve using this program. This is really nice program, and it's free. Oh, one more thing is that after you done it, you had better to restart your computer. They should be make sure everything is good. Alright, that's all. Alright, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, you can leave a message to my comment and I will reply you as early as I can. Thank you so much. Goodbye.